Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 6. Previously we learned how we can change the layout and how we can change the margins. Well, as you can see from these examples on your book, page number 21, well, this is a portrait and this is a landscape, and that is called layout. The margins, we can set the narrow margins just like this example, and we can also set the wide margins just like this one, and they were very easy. And today we're going to learn about a couple of things. The first one is the header and footer and how to add page numbers. So let's get started. First we're going to open Microsoft Word, wait for the program to open, and then click on blank document to open a new document. How to add a page number to your page. Go to Insert, find Header and Footer group, and then click on Page Number. Insert, and this is the Header and Footer group, and inside there you'll find Page Number. So let's just click on it. You have a few options. Do you want the page numbers to be placed at the top of the page, the bottom of the page, or use page margins in current position? So mostly people use bottom of the page, as you see in almost like all the books that you read, and then it's going to ask you whether you want it to be placed at the left, center, right, and they have other options. So I'm gonna choose this one because it just looks cool, right? So let's choose here. So it's going to place the page number right in the footer, which is at the bottom of the page. If you want to get out of this, just double click anywhere on the page right here. Alright, so why do I need to do all of this? I mean, why wouldn't I just write 1 at the bottom of the page, right? Like, this is my page. I'm gonna zoom out again. So it's very tiny, but you can see that it placed the number 1 at the bottom of the page. But why? Still why? Okay, so imagine that you're typing, or like writing a book, and then you're typing, and you're going to type about 100 pages. So what happens is, when you do that, the minute you add or type, it creates another page, a second page for you, and in that page, automatically you will see at the bottom that it automatically numbered that page 2. So this happens on and on and on. So you only have to do this once, and then Microsoft Word is going to do the rest of the page numbering for you. The more you continue typing, the more you continue adding pages. So again, to insert the page numbering, just go to Insert, look for the group of header and footer, and then choose page numbers, and then go nuts. Okay, so the same thing happens with headers and footers. So if you inserted a header on a certain document, and a footer, or both header and footer, the text or the content that you place on header and footer will be placed on each and every document, or each and every page that you create as you continue creating documents. So how exactly am I going to add header to my document? Again, go to Insert and then click on header right here. You have options, but let's just go ahead and choose blank. So if you clicked on the page, anywhere in the page, you'll see that it's kind of inactive. The only place that is active is the header. So let's try and type a text over here. Legacy School. So to get out of this, again, click anywhere in the inactive area, or anywhere on the page, double click, and you will get out of the header. Okay, so again, the more you create pages, the more you will see Legacy School everywhere. Okay, so whenever you create a new page, you'll see Legacy School over there. So that is how it's very useful. Instead of typing the same text on each and every page, just go and insert a header. The same goes for footer. When you click on footer, and then for example, if you want to type a reference, where did you get the information on that page, or maybe you want to thank someone, or maybe you want to mention a name or so you can just type it at the footer right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and type here 6, and then again, if you want to get out of this, get out of the footer and go back to your original page, just double click anywhere in the page, and there you go. See, as well, year 6 is going to be written on all of the documents, all of the pages on your documents. So let's take a quick recap for this lesson and the previous lesson. If we want to change the layout for our document, we're going to go to layout, and then we can change two things from here: the orientation of the page, either you have portrait or landscape, and you can also choose the margins for that page. Automatically, the margin of all of the Microsoft documents will be normal. You can change them to narrow, moderate, wide, and so on. Today we learned about how to insert page numbers, header and footer. Any of these options, the minute you type anything on, either you set up a page number, it's going to automatically do all the page numbers for you as you create new pages. And header and footer, any text that you place in the header and the footer, it's going to be written exactly the same on each and every page you create. Well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, take good care, guys, till I see you in the next lesson. Bye.